Welcome to Dark Dave's shop. I learned yesterday the dealership I go to most of the time, Rommel Harley-Davidson, is closing. Now it's not all of their locations, it's just this one. And this is the Annapolis location, which is the closest to my house. So my next nearest one is in Delaware, then over near Ocean City. I'm not really sure how I feel about it, because I go to other dealers for other things and I stop and talk to a lot of people. What do you feel when something that you like closes? Dealership, whatever. Now I'm going to go in a minute and do a little walk around so you guys can see what a dealership looks like when they're told one day they're closing. They found out yesterday they're closing, and they're going to be closed on the 10th. It's just amazing. Nothing against the dealer. I'm sure they had, reasons for it. I'm not asking. It's none of my business. But I look at all the people who come to this bike dealership, and I've got to find out a couple of things, which I'm pretty sure all of our stuff just transfers to their other dealerships. That in future videos. The one I had planned for this weekend is still going to go. This is going to be a special, and I will put this out on the day they... Well, again, Rommel Harley-Davidson in Annapolis on the 10th is closed. I will put this out probably before that. God knows this might be a Monday video because it's pretty important. If you got bikes there, get a hold of them, find out what's going on with it. It's kind of a start. Well, best luck to the employees that are moving to the Severna or the other location. For me, when my contract's up for service, I'm going to find someone else because I'm not driving that far just to get my bike serviced. As I said, I don't know how I feel about this.